Oh, there's a lock on it. Oh, that made it easy. So, this looks like it might fit in there. Actually, no, it doesn't. Here. With the power switch, so this might fit. Or work. Or do something. It'll blow up. That'd be kind of cool, too. The people over there on the camera are probably like, look at this amazing camera quality.
Yeah. Oh, and just so you people know, we do have water somewhere.
Yeah, we mentioned that at the beginning of the video.
I know, but I guess I'll mention it again for those young 10-year-olds who want to try it.
Oh my god, how does this work? Is this thing unplugged, right?
Yeah, it is.
Good, because my face is like pretty.
Well, plug it back in.
I can't get it in the pen.
Here, hold it. Don't look at his face, people. He's too ugly to handle.
You're not going to be holding my camera. I don't know if this thing fit. That one doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. Those are too wide. What the hell?
Should the pause button be lit?
There's silicone on the motherboard.
Yeah. Adhesive.
Just randomly put on there. We need to hold this part of the motherboard together. Let's see, what other using this? Good jerk. Is there anything that comes out of the power supply that we could push into?
No, it's all male parts.
It's all female.
Whatever.
Don't make any jokes about that, people. It's not funny. Okay, is there any black and white ones? Right? Oh, wait. There's a black and white one right next to each other. Oh, hallelujah. Now we just got to figure out how to do that. The second one over. And it's keyed this way. So, bottom 2, 3. My white's on the left. It goes like this. Okay, fire it up.
Ready?
Recording?
Yeah. I don't know, it says pause. That's on.
How does it turn on? I didn't hit anything.
Yep, now it's off.
The power supply still. Did you unplug it?
No.
It must be a screw.
Yeah. The one that's in your head.
Too much melon. How is it? Oh. Probably doesn't work because we disconnected the power.
Where did that jumper go? Which one?
This one. Unplug it. I know to turn it on, all you gotta do is jump a switch. Here, give me a screwdriver. Alright. Screwdriver.
What in the desk? Looks like.
Yeah, this is a really bad idea. Is it plugged in?
No.
Okay.
Why?
Because we're gonna jump it.
Don't touch any metal on that.
There, it's on.
Wait, where'd you hit it? Oh, one of those?
Oh, it turns off immediately. You see shock waves going through it. Plug it back in. See if
It is plugged in.
well, unplug and plug back in. See if that's what's wrong with it.
How about we get to work?
Oh, these might tell you. Power LED. Duh. This right there tells you what it is. Power LED. Is it plugged in?
Yeah.
Ugh. Wait, what? Is he gonna go to the right one?
I don't know.
Which one of these hooks up to the power switch? It's like a white one. It's gonna be somewhere on the bottom or top. Ain't that descriptive, everyone?
You really gonna post this on YouTube?
I'll put everything on YouTube.
Oh,
Pointless.
that's so sad.
Ah! Found it! It's the one we were trying to jump away. That's probably why it didn't turn on. I'll turn off almost instantly now. Oh, we got it turn on. Now we can turn it off again by jumping. Now if you want to turn it off, tap those two keys.
I think you're failing. All the trolls of YouTube are laughing at you now. They didn't see that face of yours, and they don't want to.
You're hurting my feelings, man. You are hurting my feelings.
Oh, good. I'm paid for that.
Oh, we have to hold the power button down for 3 seconds. That's not the power button, is it? I don't know why touching will make any difference at all. It's like something in the
It breaks it.
Hold up. It doesn't even fit.
It'll probably go short.
Shorting bad?
It'll just damage it. Not really.
Just damage it. Not like anything. I think it's worth anything anymore. Ooh, this too. This is probably the motherboard's power. No. This is the USB.
This is the motherboard power.
The USB controllers on the front. No, they're dead.
This is the motherboard power down here.
Look, some spare pieces of metal. That screw is somewhere laying on the motherboard, I think.
Then get one of your magnets.
I'm sorry, they're on my fridge already.
They're
ripping the tin off.
Did you ever find a way to separate them from the casing?
No, I just put them on they're strong enough to hold themselves. Plus, if we got them to the fridge, I don't think we'd ever get them off. Power button. Duh. Do something.
Crying won't work.
Okay, I have a better idea. Why don't we just find the power switch? Hit it. Oh, I was looking at the wrong switch.
It is keyed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Fuck you. So that is power. Power's just the Oh, the two white ones. Ah, there it is. It's that one.
Sometimes